this should be the last day of planting. We got a little bit of soybeans to plant right away, and then we're gonna go to peas, but isn't that just coming up great? That's awesome. Anyways, we're gonna get some drone footage right away of this, and then as soon as the air seeder gets here, we'll do some drone footage of that, and we'll talk about planting peas and soybeans, and we'll carry out the rest of the day. Well, kind of puts up a poo in the morning. Actually, it's funny, I was just taking my drone shot and I noticed I was dragging stuff. This bearing's gone. So, scoot back to the farm and we're gonna change that. That's unfortunate. Funny, I just greased everything. Everything felt good before I came here. What do you do? Well, I guess the good news is I'm definitely far enough ahead of Owen. He's got 30 roughly acres of beans to plant, so I got all that prepped and ready. I'm just trying to plant the 60 for the peas. Anyways, well, like I said, we'll get this fixed here. 3/4 on the small impact would do it.
Yeah, maybe. Solid unit.
Yep, and she is a junk. I'll go get two. So unfortunately, I actually don't have one of these on the shelf. I gotta go and get one. Sweet, got the stuff. I got 4. I can put on the shelf. Be handy. Usually I try to keep that kind of stuff on my shelf, but you can't keep everything, but well, now we got more stuff. Conveniently, this place is only about 15 minutes away from me, so it's not the end of the world. Hopefully we'll scoot back. We'll be back in the field in less than an hour. Just like that. Put the nuts on. Didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. We can still use it. Alright, Owen? I just stopped turning the field, dragging dirt. Anyways, not that big a deal. So Owen ran the air seeder out of seed, so he decided he might as well come back and vacuum it out so we can switch over to peas. I'm fixed. So when we get back, enjoy getting back to that short montage, but without that montage, well, I would have figured it out, but it was a lot easier when I had a drone looking. There's our first pea right there. Now there's the trench, so it's really an inch and a quarter down. You don't want to shallow it up. You don't really want peas super deep like corn. She is dusty. Very, very dusty. Good thing we got auto steer. Got my shoes on. Stuck in the back. Broken nest time. That'll do it. Well, I'm just about done. Fix this later. I really don't need it for this particular. This is my third pass. So it's not really that imperative. And then look at this. Ooh, oh boy. Rock. Have to get that out too. Guess I'll use the S-tine. Now we got both stuck in there. Might need two hands. Lift everything. So we're just gonna wait for Wes and quickly help Owen fill up with seed. On a positive note, that rock that's stuck in the packer opposed the pea picker combine, which could do a lot of damage. The only thing that sucks is I gotta now get it out of there, and it is wedged. Although I guess to some farmers that's considered a stone. I've seen farmers having to use rock pickers, you know, the ones you can't pick up. This is just a little guy. So because of the rate of seed we have to put down with peas, you can only do about 3 miles an hour or those tubes get plugged with the seed. So good thing she's 30 feet. Eddie, and give her the old smackaroonie. Boom. Just needed persuasion. You can keep that. Yeah, nice garden rock. Okay, we'll keep going. We're back going again. So in case you're wondering why I'm doing 3 passes, some people think that might be too much, some people not enough. I'm not too sure, but this was the field to be tiled, and I can still feel those little bit of a every once in a while. So the pea pickers, the way that head works, it's like it's right on the ground, right? And it's bringing those peas in. So if there's a little dip and dive, you won't be getting all the peas. So I'm trying to get this field as smooth as a baby's bottom, which it is doing a nice job. So this is the last pass, and then we'll carry on the rest of the day. We're gonna hop in the corn planter next. We have 1 strip of corn to plant at the flats. I had a tile blowout. We'll get into it. Anyways, we'll get into what's going on next once we get there. There's another one. Where are you? There we are. See this kind of stuff right here, that will really screw a harvester up. Let's come back to that little guy. It's also quicker for me to pick him up than him. Whole point is keep the planter going. Cultivator isn't a big deal unless, cultivator's down, you can't plant, so it's catch-22, but I can move across this field quick. Holy moly, what was going on here? We got all kinds of stones. Yep. The basket of goodies. Back to the farm. So Owen's filling up with another load of seed. And he's going to keep rolling until he's all finished. There should be enough seed there to do 60 acres. I think I said that in the previous video. And then he's going to finish off what's left with soybeans. So we're going to go do a little job with corn planter. And then we're going to come back and get the sprayer ready, because we got to spray that ASAP. Back at the farm, I'm going to go grab the corn planter, go do that small job. Well, there's my corn, it's looking good. So down there we had a tile problem, so I never planted this 30 feet. If you were watching my last planting video, look at that. Very minimal fertilizer left. Virtually have no liquid fertilizer left, so we're not gonna have to shovel anything. When we run out by the end, we run out. Corn plant is done, 2022. Yeah. Okay, we've got the sprayer filled up with water, put diesel in this tractor, then it's ready to go for when we are, but it looks like we're gonna have wind for a couple days. But the last thing you want to do is run around when it's time to go.
That is a brand new Honda. I don't know if anybody else has them. Those things start like crap. I got two older ones. They just pull every time. That one, you're choking it, you're not choking it. Not impressed.
Okay, last thing to do for this baby is put some diesel in it. And then it is 100% ready.
Oh, that's expensive.
Ouch. $2 a liter for farm diesel. Well, we're gonna put this away. That's gonna be a night. Owen's just gonna finish up that last little bit of beans. Wes just took it down to him. Corn's all planted. We'll see what goes on between those two fence rows, if we get that done or not. But well, it'll get done. I just don't know if it'll get planted into corn. We'll see how it kind of date we're looking at. Anyways, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Have a good one. I guess now that we're finished planting, it's time for baby chicks. And like I said, I'm not doing sweet corn this year, but I'll still get some footage of my buddy Mr. Hailstone doing that. In case you don't know who that is, that's the guy that I've been pulling out the past few videos. I love you, buddy. Anyways, you guys make sure you have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.